If you can work your microwave, you can program the remote for your motorized shades. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. If you have multiple shades, you should aim to pair each shade to its own channel. We will go over grouping shades onto a single channel later on. When the shades arrive from the factory, they are paired to channel 0 on your remote. To select a channel, press the channel button and the number will start flashing. Use the up or down button to move to the desired channel. Press the channel button again to select the channel. Once the channel is selected, press the P1 button on the appropriate shade and it will jog once. Within 4 seconds, you must press and hold the stop button on the remote until the motor jogs twice. The shade is now paired to the remote on the chosen channel. To set the upper limit, move your shade to the desired highest position by pressing the up or down buttons. To save the upper limit, hold the up and stop buttons. To set the lower limit, move your shade to the desired lowest position by pressing the up or down buttons. To save the lower limit, hold the down and stop buttons. You can also set a favorite position for your shade. To program a favorite position, move the shade to the desired position. Remove the battery cover from the remote and press the P2 button so that the shade jogs once. Press the stop button and the shade will jog again. Press stop again and the shade should jog 2 more times. Congratulations! The favorite position is now set. To return the shade to the favorite position, press and hold the stop button until the shade starts moving. The shade will automatically stop at the favorite position. Another useful feature is being able to program multiple shades to work on the same channel so that you can raise and lower multiple window coverings at the same time. In this example, we will be starting with our third shade, programmed to channel 3. Go to channel 3, then turn over the remote and press the P2 button. Press it a second time. Change the channel on the remote to the channel for the group you are creating. In this example, we'll say channel 12. Press the P2 button and the shade will jog twice. Shade 3 is now paired to channel 12. Now, go to the channel of another shade you want to put in this group. Say shade 4 on channel 4. Turn over the remote again and press the P2 button. Press it a second time. Change the channel on the remote to channel 12, the group channel, again, and press the P2 button. The shade will jog twice. Now, shades 3 and 4 are grouped together on channel 12, but can still be operated independently on channels 3 and 4. By default, the remote comes unlocked. You can check the status of your remote by removing the battery cover and pressing the lock button. If your screen displays a U, it is unlocked. If it displays an L, it is locked. To lock or unlock the remote, simply press and hold the lock button for 5 seconds until the display changes from U to L or from L to U. We hope you enjoy your handy new remote control shades from SelectBlinds. If you have any questions or need any help with your product, please see the install guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.